Hi, I'm Tom with Go Measure 3D. Today we're going to take a look at scanning a kayak outdoors. So with the Artec Leo, what I'm going to do is just scan this top side, flip it over, scan the other side, and the Leo will actually join and align those two scan files together so I don't have to do it manually. So to get started, all you do is pull the trigger that's right on the inside of the handle, and you just walk around the areas that you're interested in scanning. Alright, I'm just going to do one more pass on the underside over here. Alright, now I'm going to pause the project, flip the kayak over, and if I point the scanner at a part that I've previously scanned on the object, it'll automatically align. So now I can continue scanning on that same project. We're scanning a pretty smooth surface here. Normally it would be pretty tough to scan with a 3D scanner, but with the Artec Leo we're able to track based off of the color and geometry. So we have two things working for us when we're scanning. Alright, so I've got both sides. Let's check and see what we got, make sure we got all the information that we need. And it looks like we're good. I got the top and bottom of the kayak. That's it.